What's up mga kabumbay? Ako nga pala si Daybuddy at ako ay nagbabalik upang maglaro ng Minecraft dito sa Scamcraft Season 8. So ayun guys, kung natatandaan nyo pa di mga kumuha ko ng cobble deflate nung nakaraang episode. At dito ko na yun gagamitin guys. Naisip ko na gumawa ng walls dito sa Scamcraft. At wala lang. Gusto ko lang. At nakikita nyo ba yung mga aso dyan sa likod ko guys? Paparamihin ko po yan. Gagawin ko yung isang barangay. Para kapag may umatake sa akin, susugudin na lang sila ng isang barangay. So yun guys, gagawin na natin. Ay, itutuloy ko na lang pala. Kasi guys, may nagawa na tayo nung hindi ko pa siya rini-record. Feel ko guys, kukulangin pa tong mga blocks natin guys. Panoorin nyo po hanggang dulo. So guys, bibigyan ko kayo dito ng timelapse para hindi naman kayo maboard.
Call me back when you get this, or when you've got a minute. We really need to talk. Wait, you know what? Maybe just forget it. 'Cause by the time you get this, your number might be blocked. Stay and blah blah blah. You just want what you can't have. No way, I'll call the cops.
Wala, nahulog. Ako sa'yo? Ay!
Don't stop, I'll call your dad. And I hate to do this to you on your birthday. Happy birthday, by the way. It's not you, it's me and all that other bullshit. You know that's bullshit, don't you, babe? I'm not your party favor.
Okay, timelapse na ulit.
I know we could have done it better, but we can't change the weather, and the weather's coming. Books don't make sense if you read them backwards. They'll single out the wrong words, like you mishear all my songs, and you'll hear stay and blah blah blah. You just want what you can't have. No way, I'll call the cops. If you don't stop, I'll call your dad. And I hate to do this to you on your birthday. Happy birthday, by the way. It's not you, it's me and all that other bullshit. You know that's bullshit, don't you, babe? I'm not your party favor.
Bawat ngiti
Ay, mali pala yung napindot na music. Eto na talaga guys, seryoso na.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down.
Guys, gagawin ko na lang to ng part 2 kasi nagkulang tayo sa blocks eh. Wait, pupunta muna ako sa nether.
いってらっしゃいエレン
So ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa nether at may pupuntahan lang ako kasi doon ko balak tapusin itong video. At guys, abangan nyo, may part 2 pa to. Kasi hindi pa natapos yung walls, kinulang tayo sa blocks. So yun guys, dito ko na po tatapusin ng video at abangan nyo sa part 2, itutuloy natin ang walls kasi nagkulang tayo sa blocks kaya may part 2. Yun lang, hanggang sa muli, paalam!
Alright.